Hello dear students, this is the summary video of our today's Zoom online class. In today's class we have done application pattern. So let's have a look at our application pattern. First of all, you have to write the date, you have to draw margin lines, and you have to give the heading of application pattern and made sketches. Okay, then the first line is, this is called the head of application, this is called the body of application, and the last part is the tail of application. Okay, this is the tail of application. So in head of application we have the principal. P should be capital of principal and it's a start, so T will also be capital. Okay, the principal, comma, A B C school. In class 7 our application pattern is different. Okay, we follow the board pattern for our application. So in such applications, in such pattern, we don't mention the name of institute or name of school. Okay, we just mention ABC. ABC mean it can be any school. Okay, ABC school, comma, Peshawar. Okay, if we are not mentioning name of school, then we don't have to mention the address as well. So we just mention the name of city, which is Peshawar, and then full stop. Then subject. Subject is your reason for which you are writing an application. Okay, so in subject you mention that what this application is about. Okay, so it will be in this way: a request for, and then you will mention it depends on your application. For example, if you are writing an application for urgent piece of work, so it means that you need 1 day leave, so you will be writing a request for 1 day leave. If for example you are attending the marriage of someone, in such cases you probably need 2 leaves, so you people write here a request for 2 days leave. Okay, so it depends on your application and you have to write it according to that. Okay, so a request for is must. Your subject will start with a request for, and then I have put dot over here, which means that the rest that you people will write here will depend on your application. Okay, then madam, you don't have to leave a single line here. ठीक है, आपने कोई line बीच में skip नहीं करनी. Then madam, comma, most respectfully, or you can also write with due respect or most respectfully, and then most respectfully. For example, I'm writing most respectfully, it is stated that I am a student of class 7. Okay, you have to mention first, you have to introduce yourself, okay, in your application, and then you will write your reason for application, your issue आपने वहाँ पे फिर लिखना है. ठीक है, लेकिन first you have to introduce. For example, like I have done, most respectfully it is stated that I am a student of class 7. ठीक है, if you are writing an application for an urgent piece of work, then you will write most respectfully it is stated that I am a student of class 7 and I have some urgent piece of work at home due to which I cannot come to school. Okay, this all should be in the dotted form, and after that you will write just down the comma of madam, you have to write therefore. Okay, therefore, if you have written therefore, then you don't need to write so kindly, but if you write so kindly, then you don't need to write therefore. You have to write just one over here. Okay, either therefore or so kindly. And then grant me, so kindly grant me, I have put dot over here. So it depends again on your application, on your subject. For example, if you are writing an application for 1 day leave, so you will be writing so kindly grant me, or therefore grant me, therefore kindly grant me 1 day leave. Okay, or therefore kindly grant me 2 days leave. Okay, and if you are writing an application for your for example school leaving certificate, then you will be writing kindly, so kindly, or therefore kindly provide me. Then you will not write grant, you will write provide me school leaving certificate. Okay, after that, in the same way you have to write here, I shall be very thankful to you, and full stop. Okay, And after writing I shall be very thankful to you, you don't need to write thanking you again, because you have already written the thankful word here. Okay, the thankful, you have also already paid your thanks, so you don't need to write it again. But if you have not written this sentence, I shall be very thankful to you, then you can write thanking you. Okay, after that, here you have, it's your tail of application. Yours obediently, O should be capital, and then you have comma, and without leaving a single line, you have to write it XYZ. Instead of writing your name, you have to mention XYZ. Okay, and then mention the date, okay, of your application, on which date you are writing the application. So you have to mention that date. Today is 22, so I have written 22. Okay, so this was all about our today's video. Thank you so much.